yeah, for safety, you're gonna get a forward four. You know, you have your stuff on. So that's sweet. For cosmetic appearance, you don't really have any slag. Splatter. It isn't completely like, you know, there's a little like dents here and whatnot. Yeah. It's not all the same through, so I'm gonna give you a 3 there. Okay. Probably. And then yeah, for quality, so welder correct. Yeah, they're really like well shaped with the size of the metal, to be honest. Yeah, you don't have any over reinforcement or under reinforcement. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna give you a 4 there because it looks great. Okay. And then we'll look at your penetration. And obviously you passed the bend test, and you have great penetration here. And then it's pretty throughout the whole entire weld. So I'm gonna give you another 4 there. But yeah, the only thing I'll do is probably like speed, because you're a little, you know, you see a few things. But other than that, so yeah, 15.